Hello, Miss. My name is Veronica Luna. What was the most important experience in your life? Do you think that the most important experience in your life is the university? Many studies confirm that the university studies are really interesting, also that is the best stage of life. Michal Maturana say 3 out of 4 people say that in the university learn the most important skill. Exist many reasons that prove this. I am firmly believe that the best and the most important in my life was into to university because I meet the love of my life and I meet the best friend. Also, I study a good degree. In my opinion, the most important experience in my life was into to university because I meet the love of my life. You can think that I am crazy, but it's the truth. In the university, we can find two person more adult with other objectives of life. Uh, I can find to a person that thinks similar to me. To illustrate, he want travel around of the world, and I want same, the same. However, we want finish the university before of the visit of other country. In contrast with some young that want form a family before of finish the university. In addition to me, the love of my life, I meet the best friend. When you has a best friend, it's the more easy all in the university. For example, in the study. The other day in anatomy class, we had a test. We studied together and we had a good mark. For this reason, it's a good experience share with other person. You can a great friend. Considering that I can do great friend, I think that study a good degree. To be specific, I am studying physical therapy and exist many people with difficult that do activity. I am degree learning to help to this person also to make massage to person that no has a great deal. Therefore, I am happy with my degree because I can help many people. To conclude, I believe that the university is the great experience in your life. You can meet a boyfriend. Also, you meet the other important person in your life, and you can be a professional. If you really want the best experience in your life, you have the get into university. Thank you.